you think?
It's sick. What's up?
What's up, bro? What are we doing today?
We're going to be installing the FDF Mantis angle kit. This is a big part of the build because it has all the on-car adjustability such as camber, caster, and Ackerman. It's gonna be perfect. It's actually really easy to adjust. When we're out on the track and he pulls into the pits, I'm gonna be like, hey, yo, what's up? What do you need? And he's like, can you adjust this or that? And all you need to do is twist a couple bolts and then you're out. Just like that, and it's done.
Let's go. All right, son. So we should start throwing some stuff together.
Yeah, let's do it. What is first on the list here?
So if you were starting this, you'd cut your knuckle. I already did that, and FDF already has a video on how to do this. But basically, you just take the bottom section off the original knuckle, grind some sections flat here so that the adapter can sit flush against the OG knuckle in here. But we already have this cut, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is installing the coilover and the top hats, which requires some cutting of this section right here. So we're gonna load up the Dremel with some bits, set the top hat here, scribe out this mark so we can know exactly where we need to cut the strut towers to be ready for the kit. All right, so I disassembled the top hat, so I just have this section here so I can use this as a template basically to cut the strut tower for the coilover. So we'll head over to the car here, see about where I want to set this, which I want to run decent amount of caster, so I want it about that section there, just like that. So we got the top hats lined up, so we'll cut this section out so we can get these mounted in, and then we also have some reinforcement plates that we're putting in here because these are pretty thin, so I'll cut the same section out in the reinforcement plate and get that mounted up.
We're pretty much finished them, right?
Just about. Just gotta make sure that these are big enough and then clean them up a little bit, but this is the gist of what they're gonna look like. It wasn't super hard, so basically that's where the new top hat is gonna sit.
Yes?
Yep, but they'll go on the underside of the car. Yep, so that looks right. So I think we got a good enough section out there. So we got the reinforcement plates also cut out. Hudson's just cleaning those up with the drill. But basically, yeah, these are, because these are weak, and these are gonna be much stronger in the strut towers.
Currently, we are putting the adapter knuckle on the knuckle.
Now we need the torque wrench. Can you grab the torque wrench?
Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, now we are, what would you call this, tightening?
Torquing.
Torquing? Sounds like twerking.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the f, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Okay.
What we're gonna do now is this knuckle, the original knuckle, is a little crusty on the inside there. The camera will focus, so I'm gonna hit this with a wire wheel before we put the new coilover in.
Nice. Now we pop it in, or no, we gotta put the coil over.
We have basically the...
Nice.
Wow. Basically the entire assembly is complete. You don't have to be that close to me. So we have the knuckle ready to go, and we have the coilover ready to go. Everything, this is torqued in, but everything up here is just loosely installed for the moment.
Okay, hold up. Yep. Making it.
Okay, put them on. So the coilover is loosely installed with the reinforcement, so you can see the reinforcement plate sitting in there. The knuckle is basically ready to go in, so that's what we're gonna do next, so we don't miss any steps.
Okay, before we do this install, we thought we'd give you guys an update on the car. So what's happening?
So things that have changed are we got the steering column fully mounted up, and the pedal box is mounted in the car where it's going to sit. Everything is in line and proportioned well to how I sit in the car. I got kind of long legs and I'm tall, so I'm almost all the way back against the harness bar and almost all the way on the floor, just so I'm not scrunched against the pedals. And so my head has has clearance from the roll cage bars. Other than that, the only things that have changed is Andre fabbed up a 6-strap system for the fuel tank that mounts onto the cage itself. I'll show you how that works. And then bolts to the front here, which is super clean. I really like the way that turned out. And then he fabbed up some brackets to hold the rear rad setup. Made some dimples on those that look sweet. A lot of big things are changing. We still got to get a seat in there for Hudson.
My seat here, buddy.
So he can co-pilot. This is my future crew chief. He's here learning how everything works so he can be handy at the track.
Have this in. This is all in, loosely put in, but we're starting to put the arm on.
Yeah, just everything kind of has to be at the right angle. No, we're good, it's in there.
Oh, it's in there? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we got it in. Let's go. How we doing over here, man?
Good. Everything's installed. We got the lower control arm in. Everything is torque to spec minus the adjustable points of the kit, obviously. But we're able to see some of this crazy angle now.
It's like vertical, or however you'd say that. Yeah.
Now we just have to attach the tie rod extension, which mounts to the OEM inner tie rod on this kit. Flip these in, and we're gonna try to line this up. Probably gonna be a little bit difficult with the Ackerman adjustments loose, but
Right.
see if we can get it. Oh, son of a... Give that a little turn so it's at a slightly better angle for this to come into.
That might actually be perfect. That's perfect. Oh.
Alright, so the kit is completely on now. I kind of just gave it an eyeball alignment, but check this shit out. Look at that big drift boy stance. Alright guys, E90, FDF Mantis angle, lock to lock. Wicked angle. I haven't played with any of the adjustments really yet. This is pretty much just setting the kit in there. Holy sh**. Look at that from the front. That looks sick.